This is the power of nature. Look at it wash down there into a big lake right by my house. Oh, left the cooler out. But it makes a river. What's sad is, at the beginning of the summer, back in June, it's now August, we just had this whole driveway repaved and nice. Now look at it. You can't see it really right now, but all that water is covering up a big ditch that it made. Then a lake over here, coming off the hill like a crazy frickin' river. But I have my Amazon whenever it rains. And as you see, we live right by a creek. And just to let you know, that's only a creek, not a lake. But it sure is turning into one. I am worried about my kids' trampoline. We'll see how that goes. And the thunder and rain is just pouring down. The wonders of nature, very beautiful. Dead Man signing off.